Suppose now, if the stress is calculated on the basis of the current or actual area. Suppose if stress means load upon area. Now I want to say that if stress is calculated on the basis of the current or actual area, then this is called true stress. You getting my points? Suppose I want to say that stress is calculated on the basis of current or actual area. Means initial area, okay, actual area
Okay.
means changeable area. If the stress is calculated on the basis of the current or actual area A, current or actual area A, if stress is calculated on the basis of current or actual area A, current or actual area A, then the stress is called true stress. That stress is called true stress. This is called true stress. Okay, sigma T. This is the basic difference. Engineering stress and true stress. Engineering stress simply means yeah, force upon area, load upon area, simple, load upon original cross-section area. So if we stress is calculated on the basis of the current or actual area, then the stress is called here true stress. So sigma here, true stress basically sigma T is
Oh,
equal to load upon area. Okay. So this is called true stress area. And engineering stress is equal to P upon A naught, means load upon original area. So load upon original area is called engineering stress. So this is the engineering stress, or normal stress is equal to load means P upon original area. Okay, upon original area, that is called engineering or basically normal stress. But in case of true stress, means I have already explained, stress calculated on the basis of current or actual area A, that is called here true stress. Now engineering stress is equal to load upon area. Now I want to discuss here also the true stress, basically defined as the ratio of the length of ratio of the load upon original cross-sectional area, that I have already discussed with you. Means true stress is defined as ratio of the load to the cross-sectional area varying at any instant. Okay. So original area, if we have taken original area, then this is called engineering stress. If we have taken the varying stress, varying area means instant area at any instant area, that is called the true stress. So true stress basically load upon varying area or at any instant area. Means once again I am repeating, stress calculated on the basis of the current or actual area is called true stress. So here once again defined a true stress, basically defined as the ratio of the load to the cross-sectional area at any instant. Cross-sectional area at any instant. This is the cross-sectional area at any given instant or any instant. That is called the true stress. So sigma, once again I am repeating, sigma T is equal to load upon area, means load upon instantaneous area. So I am defined here. So here sigma T means true stress is equal to P, means load upon here instantaneous area, means in Hindi क्षणिक area. Okay, instantaneous. This is the instantaneous area. Okay, instantaneous area. Okay, I think points is clear.